Welcome viewers. Today we are diving into a topic that could save you from a potential digital disaster. It's crucial to know how to find out if your computer is hacked or not. Being able to detect the signs of compromise on your computer could be the real difference between safeguarding your sensitive information or being a victim to malicious attack. As interesting as the problem might sound to you, the solutions are also pretty creative. First thing first, you could always find out what's running on your computer through a very straightforward program called Task Manager. Task Manager is simply opened by going to the Start menu and opening Task Manager, or you can simply go to the settings and there you find Task Manager. It basically lists down all the processes which are happening behind the scenes and what kind of process ID they are using and what kind of services are they running. Some of the services have their detailed description right in front of them. However, some of the services are slightly less familiar. For example, if you see there are some services with the svchost.exe. Second thing which comes very handy is the command prompt. If you have an operating system with like Windows, just type on the Start menu command prompt or CMD and you will have something like this. Type here netstat-ano and you will have the list of all the active services which are currently active on your system. And now you can find out whether they are established connections or whether these are half connected connections or closed connections. You can then find out where these connections are essentially going. Now, by the look of it, all of them are being initiated from the same IP address. However, the destination IP address is different for all of them. What you could do is you can simply copy the IP address of the destination, just highlight it and right click, it will be copied to your clipboard. Now open a website called IP address lookup or IP location. Just paste in the IP address that you have just found out and see where this connection is going to. Now I can see that this connection is going to the country, which is the Netherlands, and I can also see what kind of application this is running behind the scenes. Now because it is a Microsoft application, so I could say this is a safe application and this is not going to a suspicious or malicious destination. The last thing is you could always piece together the process ID with the port number. For example, here you would see that there is always a process ID associated to each active program, and here you could also find the TCP port number there. So this is how you could relate which program is essentially working in togetherness with which application behind the scenes. If you find out that something is very suspicious and you have no idea where this is connecting to, you could always get the detailed process ID and you can always kill this application if you find that this is something not necessary. Microsoft will also give you a warning if this is a running application and this is the necessary application for the running of operating system. However, if you feel that this is something which is not installed by you, it's a program which was downloaded or installed as a result of installing something else as a freeware, you could always delete it. This is the most interactive way how to find out the applications behind the scenes. If you find something is not in the right place, you could always scan the computer altogether and get rid of those suspicious programs and protect yourself from any cyber crimes. Thank you.